welcome back to another episode. Today's a cooking episode. I cannot cook alone, guys. I always need a master chef. I'm still only an apprentice. We need to do this.
We'll see how we go.
So guys, something different. We're going to do a dessert. So we're going to do a dessert damper.
Yeah, look, it's one I've never had before. And I think it's going to be quite interesting.
I think it's going to be elite.
Yeah, I've had a few dessert dampers, but yeah, this is going to be it's a little bit different.
So what we got, guys? We got some marshmallows, and we got some dream white chocolate. So we're going to do a white chocolate marshmallow damper.
And white chocolate is far superior to normal chocolate.
I love white chocolate, so
you can't lose. Stay
tuned, guys. You might learn something. I've got some tips from some OGs, who are damper kings. And yeah, you might learn something, so stay tuned. Let's go.
See how it goes.
Righto, guys, so step one. We're going to make this in steps, guys, so you can follow it. It's nice and easy. Makes it easy. So simple, guys. We're going to do a 2-cup damper. Most dampers are done either 2-cup, 4-cup, or 6-cup, depending on how big you want your damper. We're fat, but we just eat, so we're going to go a 2-cup damper. So first ingredient, guys, obviously 2 cups of self-raising flour. And we do it from a height, guys.
You have to. We're subbing in for Hunty.
We're subbing in.
Unfortunately, he's not here, so someone's got to do it from
100%. He's not here.
Might as well do it.
He'll be on the next trip from a height. Beautiful.
Missed the cup. There you go.
Now it's in
the cup.
It's important, guys, that it's really accurate for a damper. So we're going to put 2 cups in this, guys, from a height, and we'll show you the next step.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Righto, guys. So we've got our 2 cups in our bowl, which is looking heavy.
It's very precise too.
Precise, guys. You know. We're very precise. Now, I've hit up some OGs I know, guys, and that make dampers all the time. Now, we're gonna add icing sugar. Now, the reason for that, BlakeO, a lot of people add sugar into their dessert dampers, and that only makes it sweet. We want to make it fluffy, and that's what the icing sugar does.
And this was a best kept secret. There was no hint on what the secret
I've kept this a secret, guys. I've hit up some people I know.
That's it. That's what it is.
So we're going to go a tablespoon of icing sugar. Now, we don't have a tablespoon, but
precise measurement.
I think it's going to be that much. Now, like I said, guys, that's going to give us a fluffy texture. It's going to also sweeten it, but it doubles up as the sugar, guys. So sugar only sweetens it. This is going to make it nice and fluffy, guys. So we'll move on to the next step.
Next step.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Righto, guys, step 3.
In we go.
Ingredients, guys. So marshmallow, chocolate.
White chocolate.
From a height.
Off the elbow. Straight in.
Done. We're on. Ingredients are in, guys. We'll see you at step 4.
Let's do it.
Guys, ingredients are in.
Number 6. Let's go.
Step 5.
No, 6.
Is it 6?
I think it's 6. It could be 5.
If you're following at home, guys,
let's go with 5.
Comment below if it's 5 or 6. So, guys, with dessert dampers, guys, that I do, I add milk. I don't add water. You can add water, but I think the milk just makes it a thing.
Savoury is water.
I think so.
Sweet milk. It kind of makes sense.
Guys, the damper kings have told me, cut your damper in, guys, so mix it up with a knife. Now, there's method behind their madness. The knife, as you see, guys, we'll get close-ups of us, not me, of BlakeO mixing it, and you'll see the knife cuts air into it, and air makes the damper fluffy, makes it rise more. Our damper's going to rise more than someone that hand mixes it, so cut it in with a knife, guys. You'll see it's adding air and it's cutting in air, so it's a thing. I've been told it's a thing.
We'll see if it's a thing.
Let's go. We're going to add the milk, guys, and we'll show you what our dough looks like.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Righto, guys. Now, it's not Whiskey and Weber's. It's obviously a dessert thing. We've lost track of the steps, guys. Let us know where we're at with the steps. I think we're up to 7 or something like that.
I just found some straggling white chocolate, so I'm just keeping it right.
He's punching the chocolate. So what we got, guys, that's what we got. So that's our dough. That was the thing.
That's a mystery.
That was a marshmallow. So that's our dough, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to whack it in the camp oven, and we're going to line it with baked paper and a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. And we're going to see what this bad boy does. We're going to put a touch of milk on top, and that's going to give us a nice crust. But that's about it, guys. So it's as simple as that. So next time we see you guys, we'll be over at the fire and we'll whack the camp oven on the coals.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Righto, guys. So you'll see that we've lined the camp oven with some flour. That's to help our bad boy not stick. So
baking paper works. You can use baking paper. flour works.
Probs,
whatever you got works.
Baking paper, flour, it's all the same. We sprinkled some milk on there, guys. I'll show you that shot now. The final step, guys,
It has to be done.
It's like meat, guys. Although it's damper, you just got to give it a little slap. So, Blakey. Final step, guys. Just give it a little meat slap. It can't hurt. See you by the fire, guys, for step 8, 9, 10. We don't really know where we're at right now.
We'll just do it.
Let's go. See you by the fire. Righto, guys. So, like we said, we're back down at the fire for step 11, maybe.
It's warm.
It's hot down here, guys. I'm sweating. I shouldn't be sweating having this dad bod. I don't want to lose the dad bod. So, guys, we're going to whack this camp up and on. I reckon she's going to go for about 20 minutes, half an hour. So, I'll get BlakeO to whack it on. He's going to whack some coals on top. So,
very important, if you're going to put it in the fire, make sure you grab your coals first, because once you put it on there, you got to take it off, get your coals.
100%.
Too hard.
Too hard. And this is Tomo. You're waiting for the damper, aren't you? Marshmallows, white chocolate. My young fella's cruising around here somewhere. There he is. So it's a bit of a hit, guys, for the kids.
There you go.
So that's it, guys. We'll go 20 minutes. Try time it, guys. Because, yeah, you don't want to let it go too long.
Turns out like a rock.
Turns out like a rock,
and
you'll throw it through someone's window.
It's
so
not a good time.
We'll see you guys with the finale.
20 minutes.
Let's go. See you in 20. Oh dear.
Well.
Right, guys, so we did say 20 minutes on the fire. 20 minutes when you're not drone fishing.
That is the key denominator, because when those reels scream.
Don't drone fish whilst making the damper. So 20 minutes turned into 40 minutes. But with damper, guys, you're pretty safe. So it does look like it's burnt on top, guys, but as you can see, guys, it's the internals that count.
It's always.
It's like an engine.
It's what's on the inside. Never judge a book by its cover.
It's what's in the inside that matters, guys. So, as you see, guys, we sort of had a moment.
We did. We had a, yeah.
But I'm sure this is going to be good, guys. You learned the steps to make it.
Or what was it, 24 in the end or something?
Old 28 steps.
28 steps, whatever.
So make your own damper, guys. 20 minutes on the coals, guys. Not 40 like us. Probably an hour, to be honest. But we're still going to hook into this.
I reckon it's going to be all right.
It's still good. In the middle, good.
Done.
Thanks, bro.
Same.
See you on the next one, guys. If you got something you want us to cook, leave it in the comments below. At a minimum, guys, I hope you had a laugh, guys. That was our take on it. So here to make everyone laugh, here to have a good time.
You've got to have some fun. It's all about the fun.
It's all about the fun, guys. It's all about getting out here. So see you on the next one, guys.
Stay tuned.
Righto, guys, so we thought we'd bring you back. We actually thought this was going to be shit house, but it's actually great. It's not so bad. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, man.
So, guys, when the chips are down in life and when you're making damper, stick with it.
You can't go wrong.
It's an absolute ball terror, guys. It's actually really good. So
you wouldn't have thought.
It looks like a dog's breakfast at the moment, but we're going to hook in. The young fellas are hooking in, so it's actually a ball terror.
Cheers, big cheese. We're on.
See you on the next one, guys.